भी ऐसा ही आता है, तो आता आती उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ होगा, बट थैंक यू सो मच, दिस इवनिंग वाज ग्रेट.
But thank you guys for such a lovely evening, and what a lovely audience you'll have all been. I was equally a good audience. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा था भाई. हाँ, बहुत मजा आया मुझे.
Joining them, the creative vision behind the film, our director, request Mr. Sunil to please join us on stage. The master storyteller.
Sunil. आजा. You know, guys, this is also a great opportunity for me to thank all the people who worked on the film here. So each and every crew member who you all are going to meet now has worked with such love and passion on this film, and as a producer, I feel so grateful for the intensity and the honesty with which each person has worked. We are missing Arijit here today. I wish he was also here. He sung so well, but Ram has given such great music. Each and every cast and crew member has done such amazing work on this film. So this is my chance to thank all of you. Sai has done such an amazing job. You're going to get blown, absolutely blown. And मुझे लगता है कि आज अगर मैं अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के कहूँ तो for me, Sai is the best actress we have in our country today. Yeah. And जुनैद ने भी ठीक ठाक किया है. अब वो मेरा बेटा है तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोल नहीं सकता हूँ. But each cast and crew member has done so well, and I'm so happy with that. I think हम जो फिल्म बनाने चले थे हमने बनाई है. अब देखते हैं ऑडियंस को कैसे लगती है. And I want to say something specially about Sunil, who's directed the film. ये उसकी पहली फिल्म है. और Sunil has worked with so much passion, so much love. He's been so hardworking, so persevering. He's tolerated me. Actually, Sunil and I go back a long way. We worked a lot together. He was AD on Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par में मेरे first AD थे. उसके अलावा Delhi Valley भी थे, Rang De Basanti, and he also worked with me as my manager. Where's Advait? Advait, हाँ. Advait also was my manager. And then Sunil became my manager, and somehow my managers become filmmakers here. Bobby, any such plans? So, Sunil has really done a wonderful job, and Sunil, thank you so much for making such a wonderful film, and for bringing onto screen, what was on paper, and let's just call the whole team on stage.
Logo, Vikram Parul.
I request
Sneha, Spandan.
Aparna Purohit to please join us on stage. Producer of this movie. Please welcome on stage, ma'am. May I call upon Sujal Parekh from Z Music, whose support continues to nurture voices, music, and moments like these. And
Abhay.
Sneha. Where is Sneha? Sneha and Spandan. कहाँ है यार? Where is Sneha and Spandan? They were here, na? When the evening started. अच्छा.
it's time for a photo op, guys. Do we have our master storyteller Mansoor Khan here?
मंसूर भी नहीं है ना? अच्छा, पता नहीं कहाँ गायब हो गए लोग. But thank you so much, guys, and we hope your blessings are with us on 1st May when the film releases. Fingers crossed.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys had a very, very good time. Sai, you want to say something? You must say something. Do I hand over the mic? Okay, you got the mic. No problem.
मुझे पता नहीं था कि आज बात करेंगे हम तो at least I would have learned something in Hindi. Firstly, thank you so much. मुझे हिंदी ऐसा ही आता है तो आता आती उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ होगा but thank you so much. This evening was great. When I look back at my journey in the industry, I don't know what work I've done, but I felt happy that जो भी मैंने किया, it brings me to a room filled with people who are so talented, and I end up being so humbled. And I at least Amir sir is crazy enough to be that emotional in public, but though I love my seats, I sometimes wish that the lights were dimmed so that I can, be more emotional. You guys were unbelievable, every single person. You're all such beautiful narrators. I could see your emotions. I could see the visuals in front of me. It was absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for whatever's led you all the way here. God bless you, and may you continue to do this and influence more lives and touch our souls. Thank you. Today was a very emotional day for me because I didn't know this was happening. I thought Mehfil night kuch to hoga. Maybe they're singing, but this was something else. Thank you so much. Sometimes I feel that, my journey in the industry, I don't know if I was somebody who would genuinely go to a theatre, go to a place where it's going to be a culmination of such talents, but whatever I've done has led me here, and I'm so grateful for the whole journey. Thank you so much. Sometimes it's just beautiful. Thank you. And thank you, Amir sir, for putting me in a space like this, picking me to be part of this movie where I'm able to enjoy this, feel so much of love. And every time you all spoke about love, I could see your face glow. That is something else. How beautiful. Thank you so much for today. And this is going to be my first Hindi film. And I wish...
God, give it up for Sai!
I'm actually quite nervous, but it's an absolutely beautiful journey. Thank you so much, the whole team. Junaid was an absolutely beautiful co-star, an obedient child actually. It's so nice. I had a great time. Thank you so much. आज मैंने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया जो बोलना चाहता था, पर प्लीज़ माफ़ कीजिए. अंदर बहुत सारा प्यार है आपके लिए, और थैंक यू सो मच. और यहाँ जो भी पैप्स यहाँ है ना, जब भी आप आवाज़ देते हैं, I feel like I'm a big deal. So thank you so much for all that noise out there. Thank you so much. Thank you all very much. I feel very moved and humbled. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You must say something.
हो गया ना अभी अरे यार no I really enjoyed myself this evening guys thank you so much बहुत मजा आया the stories the singing at one point Aparna wanted me to sing here today I got very excited but then when they told Papa then they realized that it's a very bad idea so you all will not be tortured today but I had a great time here today. I had a great time on this film. I had a lovely time working with you, Pallavi. It was so much fun. I think I do kind of agree with Papa. She's probably one of the best actors we have in the country.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, it was great fun and thank you so much, guys. I had a great time today. Thank you.
Sunil sir, you must say something. Come on. Let's go.
I'm not very comfortable with this, but still, I would just like, since we're all standing here, I would say actually filmmaking is such a collective art that yes, directors put in front, but there are just so many people who work on the film, so many people who contribute to the film, and I strongly believe you change the cast and crew, the film will look different. So whatever we have today is actually a collective effort with some of the key people standing here, not everyone. There are a lot more people who worked on the film. And I hope whatever we've all collectively done, you guys like when you see on 1st of May. Thank you.
Ram, you want to say something?
I said everything I had to.
Dadu.
Yeah.
Aparna ma'am, you want to say something, share something? The final. Please.
It takes a village.
Yeah.
And what a wonderful village we had. And I feel like a small fly that has attached itself to a thoroughbred horse. And I hope to travel 10,000 miles with it. Thanks.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you for a lovely evening. Thanks.
So let's give it up for Ek Din coming in theatres nearby you on 1st of May. So here's to many more Ek Din for all of you. Thank you so much and congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
दुर्गेश भाई मत इधर हो ना